Hello everyone, today I will show you how to move or drag a text box in a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor and click on this home option, this menu bar, and select here this edit option and simply click on this text box and click on this text box outline border and this move icon now showing, and you can move this text box anywhere and see this, and also you can move this text box ups and down and right and left using your keyboard, right, left, right and up down key, and see this. In this way you can also, I'll move this text box and see this. Yeah, this is, in this way you can move your text boxes and fixes your text boxes position. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.